Yes, hello. Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. This is Bilal Suleman from Work and Solution Company. Today I come with another useful extension. That name is Amazon Assistance, which help out to save time of yours because I'm always looking forward to save times of your. So whenever we open like different websites like Walmart, eBay to search any product over there, this extension gonna help us to save to show same products on Amazon with complete information. So let me just give you for example, like this is the actual extension Amazon Assistant. Let's suppose if I'm typing the baby toy over there, so I can see the heaps of results, and now you can see Amazon Assistant can also show me same products on Amazon. So that this would be save my time in future. So in Walmart, so I can let me just check it out in eBay. So same product. Let me just type in baby toy. So once I open it, so you can see up there it will pops up in front of you and give you different ideas. So this is the useful extension and simple one. So I will come with another video soon. Thank you so much.